want to do a little video today about tire safety on a Class A motorhome. These tires on my motorhome here, I just replaced yesterday, had them replaced for age, not for mileage or wear. You'll find most of the time tires on motorhomes, recreational vehicles, travel trailers, fifth wheels are normally replaced due to age and not due to wear. That's because the tires, unfortunately, are not made to last forever, and they recommend replacing tires on your motorhome or travel trailer every 5 to 6 years. To determine the age of your tires, you want to go to the tire itself and look for the DOT date. So once you're looking on the outside of your tire, you look for that DOT date right there, Department of Transportation date. Come all the way around to this 4-digit number, in this case 0421. It was made in the 4th week of 2021, so these are pretty fresh tires. I'm making this video mid-May, so these tires were made at the end of April, end of January, beginning of February. So these are pretty fresh tires. If this date, 4 digits, 04 is the week they were made, the year 21. At this point, if you're looking at a date and it says something 15, 16 and manufactured in the year 2015 or 2016, you should probably be looking at replacing your tires. So now that we've determined the age of the tires, every trip, before every trip, I go out and I do an inspection of the tire, and I'm looking for overall wear, looking at condition, and looking to make sure on the sidewalls there's no sign of dry rot anywhere. These are new tires, so there's not going to be that. I'll post some pictures of the beginning stages of dry rot, what it looks like, and so you can get an idea of it. An important thing to have, tire pressure monitoring system. Monitors temperature, pressure, and temperatures as you're going down the road. Number one cause for tire failure is underinflation, which causes the tires as they're rolling down the street to have too much contact with the pavement, therefore too much friction. They start to get hot, they overheat, and then explode. So underinflation is very dangerous for the life of the tire, can cause a blowout. On one of these Class A motorhomes, a blowout on the front end, very dangerous, hard to control, difficult to steer and maintain control of the vehicle. So you want to make sure that you have some sort of a monitoring system on the tire so that you can see when you are starting to lose pressure, when the temperature is starting to go up. That'll give you an opportunity to pull off the road and try to figure out what the problem is before you have a catastrophic failure and you're dealing with a front end blowout on your steer wheels. Once again, very difficult to control. I'll post a video of a guy that had a front end blowout on his Class A motorhome and how he dealt with it, and then how it turned out, and some tips there for controlling one of these catastrophic tire failures. So here we are going to service the air and the dualies in the back of the Class A motorhome. Most important tool you can have for doing this is a good high quality air gauge. This is a digital tire gauge made for heavy duty high pressure tires. It'll take care of up to 150 psi. Most of the time in a Class A motorhome you're running anywhere from 100 to 120 psi. That's all depending upon weight. Tire pressures are of course determined by the load that you are carrying. On the side of the tire you should be able to find the pressure that is recommended. That pressure is maximum load. It'll tell you how much weight each tire is or can carry. In this case, a single tire application is 5,200 pounds per tire, and a dually application that would be ×2. And for the axle, it's all the way across how much it would carry. So good tire pressure gauge is a must. This one I got on Amazon, $54. It is the Tire Minder high pressure digital truck tire pressure gauge.